Hello friends, welcome back. In this video I'm going to tell you if your Wi-Fi is not working on your iPhone or any Apple device, so what to do. This is very simple and easy solution to fix this problem at home within minutes. So let's start the video without wasting time. I'm Imran and you are watching my channel Bukhari Tech. If you are new on my channel, please subscribe first and press bell icon for more updates. So firstly, open your Wi-Fi section. Open your settings and select your Wi-Fi connection and open your Wi-Fi connection settings, and first step is forget this network. So tap on forget. So friends, when you forget this Wi-Fi connection, then again select and enter the password of your Wi-Fi device. So friends, if the problem is fixed, then well and good. And second option is reset your iPhone and then again connect your Wi-Fi device. And after reset your device, then again not connecting your Wi-Fi, then contact your nearest Apple store to fix this problem. So friends, if the video is helpful for you, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press bell icon for more updates, and also share this video for other people. Thanks for watching.